Welcome to our channel. If you are looking to delete your Royal Match account in 2025, you have come to the right place. I will guide you through the simple steps to permanently remove your account and ensure your data is erased. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Access customer support. First, you will need to contact the Royal Match customer support. Open your browser and search for the Royal Match customer services. This will lead you to the official support pages. Step 2. Send an email. Once there, look for their contract email with the contact @ of dreamgame.com. Compose a polite email stating that you will wish to delete your account. Make sure to include the relevant details like your unsure username or the player ID. Help them process your request faster. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. After sending your email, keep an eye on your inbox. It may take up to the 7 days for your deletion process to be completed. You will receive a confirmation once your account has been successfully deleted. Remember, deleting your account means losing all the game progress, purchase, and the data associated with. Make sure this is what you really want before proceeding. Deleting your Royal Match account is straightforward if you follow these steps. If found this video helpful, please gives us a thumbs and subscribe for more tech tutorials.